In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run reports on a subdivided budget in QuickBooks Online Plus and Advanced. If you've created a budget that's split by things like class, location, or customer, and you want a clear snapshot of how it looks or how it stacks up against your actual numbers, this walkthrough is for you. First, make sure your subdivided budget is already set up in QuickBooks Online. That means the budget data has been recorded or imported and tied to the right subdivisions, such as specific classes or locations. If the numbers aren't appearing where you expect later on, it's usually because the budget wasn't mapped to those subdivisions during setup, so it's worth double-checking that part before you move on. Once your budget is in place, head to the left navigation panel and select Reports. This is your central hub for all financial and management reports in QuickBooks Online. When the Reports page opens, switch to the Standard tab. The Standard tab is where QuickBooks keeps its ready-made reports, including the ones built specifically for budgeting. Custom reports you've saved in the past will show elsewhere, so make sure you're on Standard for the default options. Now, look for the budget report that fits your goal. You'll typically choose between Budget Overview and Budget versus Actuals. Budget Overview is perfect when you want to confirm the budget structure and totals, especially useful for checking that your subdivisions, like classes or locations, are appearing correctly. Budget versus Actuals is what you want when you're comparing your planned numbers to real-world results to see variances, both dollar and percentage. Click the report you want, and at the top left, use the Budget drop-down to pick the exact budget you want to view. If you've created more than one budget, for example, for different fiscal years or different structures, be sure you select the correct one by name. This is also where subdivided budgets will become obvious, because the report will display sections or columns that reflect the subdivisions you used. Next, click Run Report. QuickBooks will generate the view based on your selection. On an overview, you'll see accounts with budgeted totals, broken out by your subdivisions if applicable. On a Budget versus Actuals report, you'll see those same lines with actuals and variances alongside them. If something looks off, verify that the budget and the time frame shown align with your intended period, and confirm that your transactions use the same classes or locations that the budget is based on. And there you go. That's how to run reports on a subdivided budget in QuickBooks Online Plus and Advanced.